Okay, ready, go.
Okay, hello wonderful families and welcome to the new school year at the Shelley Culver Head Start Center. We're excited to have you start next week and we would like to show you where you're going to drop off your students. So if you follow me, right to the side of the building is a driveway that leads to our parking lot. Parking spots back here that you can use to park in and drop off your students. Once you park, you will come out of the car with your student and drop them off through the playground into your classroom. Right this way. Here is our playground gate right over here. You'll come through this gate. We ask that when you're through it that you make sure that it is closed. There's a latch way up at the top. If you are in the afternoon with Miss Kendra or Miss Valbona, the first door here to your right is the door that you will enter. If you are in the morning with Miss Jolene or Miss Kat, or in the afternoon with Miss Maria or Miss Ciara, your door is the second one right over here, or the third, because the second one goes into the atrium. Sorry. And outside each of the doors will be a clipboard that will have the children's names on it. You will find your child's name, and you will sign your name and what time you're dropping off. And then when you pick up, you'll sign your name and put the time on and what you're picking up. Then it will be hanging right outside the door for you. If you have any questions, just give us a call, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.